You're watching Republic TV. I'm Richa Sharma, and the entire country is shocked by the protesters that have breached the Red Fort. We saw a protester climb atop ramparts of the Red Fort and unfurl the saffron flag as well, and at ITO as well. That is called to be the heart of the national capital. A police personnel was injured in the violence that broke out, and cops fired tear gas shells to disperse the protesters as well. And this was supposed to be a peaceful tractor rally march. On a day when India is celebrating Republic Day, the 72nd Republic Day, we have witnessed these unfortunately shocking images coming in from the national capitals. There were attacks on media personnel, there were attacks on also the police personnel who were guarding these areas. And now we are getting in these latest updates of still we have these farmers union leaders and certain anti-social elements who have hijacked their farmer protest as well, and protesters have not just breached the Red Fort, but they have also at the ITO, that is considered to be a center of the national capital. A police personnel was injured. But before that, we have breaking news coming in at this point where para forces have now been called in. This latest update coming in of more than a dozen paramilitary forces have now been called in Delhi by the CP. This after we have been seeing these unprecedented images coming in from the national capital, and the Delhi police personnel have been attacked. And on account of that, we are seeing and witnessing that more than a dozen companies of para forces have now been called in by the Delhi Commissioner of Police as well. Shortly across, we'll also go across to our reporters. But this entire incident that we have been witnessing since today morning, this was supposed to be a peaceful protest march that was called in by these farmer union leaders, but it seems like it has been hijacked by certain anti-social elements. Earlier today, we also saw how Punjab's Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has also stated an appeal for peace and called back all the peaceful protesters and farmers to come back to the border areas and not be part of this. He went on to state that shocking scenes have been witnessed in Delhi. The violence by some elements is unacceptable and it will negate goodwill generated as well. Let's go across to our executive editor, Aishwarya Kapoor, also joining us with more on this. Aishwarya, more than a dozen companies of the para forces have now been called in by Delhi Police Commissioner.
Well, absolutely. At this point of time, we are being told that the Delhi Police Commissioner, S.N. Srivastava, has sought more than a dozen teams of the para forces. He has also sent a very, very strong message and a very positive message to his Delhi Police Jawan, saying that these anti-social elements, these violent elements need to be controlled, and they have full power at their disposal to control them. But as we speak, more than a dozen companies of para forces, which includes ICRPF and then ITBP, have been called in. Also, the SSB has been called in the national capital in this very regard. So you are going to see that within the next couple of hours, within the next 2 to 3 hours, from the Manesar cantonment, from the other cantonments in and around the national capital, you are going to see more than a dozen companies of the para forces, which I, as just indicated, which includes the ITBP, which includes the CISF, CRPF, BSF, are going to be called in. This is keeping in mind that the farmers and the so-called protesters have just not adhered to any condition. And the kind of violence which we've seen in the national capital is unprecedented. We've seen swords being flirted, we've seen shots being fired, we've seen whatnot today. Keeping this in mind, Delhi Police Commissioner has also spoken to his Jawans who are deployed at ground zero on the line, and make one thing very clear, that they have all the power at their disposal to control and bring the situation back to normalcy. And for that, the commissioner, the top cop of the national capital, has given them complete right to control the situation. The complete power is at the disposal of the Delhi police personnel who are on the ground, facing this heat, facing this unprecedented kind of national. This movement has turned anti-national, and we need to see it. And hence, as we just say, that the Delhi Police Commissioner, S.N. Srivastava, has just called in for more than a dozen companies of the para forces to be deployed tonight itself in the national capital.
All right. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us that latest update.